For our paper Ganpati, you'll take a sheet of paper square, colored on one side, and follow the instructions to fold it as on the screen. Leaving about an inch on the outside, fold the inner flap outwards on both sides. Next, taking less than half on one side, fold the paper inwards to make the face. This fold is being made so that we can make our paper Ganpati stand by itself. And now make the eyes and features. Please hit the thumbs up if you like our videos. For the second model, we'll again take a square paper colored on one side. After the bottom fold, we'll flip it over and fold it lengthways in the shape of a cone. Fold it outwards almost half the length to form the ears of Ganpati. And now it's time for the face. Something still incomplete. We'll fold the bottom two corners in triangles to give it some more shape and draw in the eyes and features later. Here's the 3D tusk of Lord Ganesha, and if you like this, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. अगर आप गणेश जी में मानते हैं तो अभी देर नहीं हुई, हमारे चारों पेपर क्राफ्ट्स ट्राई करके कमेंट में ज़रूर बताइएगा। That's for the face. And again, bottom triangles folded for some shape. And now, do watch this part carefully because it involves a little bit of unfolding. आंखें और तिलक बनाने में कॉन्ट्रास्ट कलर्स यूज कीजिए और हमारे चैनल को जरूर सब्सक्राइब कीजिए। Our cool blue Ganesha is also super easy to make. Follow the instructions on screen and like our video. fold the flap slanting backwards to form the ears. And then leaving some part folded backwards, fold them back forwards. And hey, don't forget to hit the thumbs up below this video. Do celebrate an eco-friendly Ganpati, share this video with your friends, and thank you so much for watching.